Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find help in the AirAsia application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the upper left corner and you will see their symbol with your initial. Press on it and now you have to scroll down and you will see here the customer support option. Press on that. And you can select two options here depending which you want. You can chat with Bo, which is kind of an AI that can help you out. If you write down your problem, you can see it loads in. You wait a little, and after that, after it wrote something to you, you can just press on the message and write anything about to him, and he can provide you with some information potentially. Now the other way you can find help is by clicking on the support option, and you have to wait a little until the page loads in. After it loaded in, all you have to do is select the category where you need help, for example flights, AirAsia flights for example, and here you can see all the topics. Basically they are kind of like frequently asked questions or topics, and if you press on any of them you can see that it needs a little bit of time to load in, and after that you're more than likely going to find an answer to your problem because it will give you a very detailed description here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.